Welcome to Proven and Probable. Today we're highlighting a project generator that last year completed a $2 million strategic funding with billion-dollar market cap BHP. Today we're going to focus on their generative projects located in Sonora, Mexico. But before we begin, I would appreciate if you click the subscribe button and click the bell. Now, on to today's interview. Welcome to Proven and Probable. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Joining us for a conversation is Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources. Dr. Staude, welcome to the show, sir.
Great to be on the show, Maurice.
Dr. Staude, Riverside has some news out about BHP. What is it and why should we care?
Well, Riverside's very excited. We work with BHP, one of the world's largest mining companies in Mexico, doing copper exploration. And the news is that we've had a successful first year, and now it's fully funded. Now for the next phase, the second year, we're so excited. So we've gotten the money in the bank, moving ahead. I think it's great for us shareholders, for all of us to see that, yes, we're moving ahead, independent of COVID and the other things. We've been able to keep going. So we're very excited about now it looks like for 2021 and the future.
Take us back to last year with BHP and share some of the successes.
You know, it's so great. We actually are so glad to be able to pull together our databases, to pull together our knowledge. We actually got new tools, new trucks, and really got out in the field. And through that, we developed 5 new projects with them that we're now moving forward in the second year of program. Also, we're so excited that we were able to upgrade our targets that we developed and find the best potential targets. So for us now, looking at the second year of this exploration funding agreement, we're in a great position to be able to focus on high quality projects, bringing those forward. So for us, last year was good, making this next year great.
Looking now with this fully funded second year in the context of COVID-19, what is the plan and outlook, and has it changed since the inception of the program?
You know, it's been challenging for us, but we've been lucky. Working with such a large company, they have the capacity and knowledge. They share it with us, and we've been able to work to modify our programs to really fit. We're now working in small groups, working in isolated locations, keeping our teams separate from other groups, able to work and move them ahead. The other thing we've been able to do is use the ability to work together integratively, remotely, to be able to find the very best targets. I think, our program initially we saw it going in a certain direction. Now we've been able to expand it to really focus on the very best opportunities. And we took advantage of 3 months of somewhat downtime where we're able to do sparingly work in the field, but really go through all of the data. The wonderful thing is BHP and Riverside pooled our data. We're able to go through after a year to really recalculate, really focus on what are the highest prospectivity, best areas to work. So we're very excited for the second year.
Twofold question for you here, sir. From the 5 projects you just acquired, is there 1 or 2 that are going to get immediate additional work, and what might we expect from newsflow from these as well?
There are, and so I can show you on a figure what they look like.
John Mark, what are we looking at here?
Here we actually see a figure that shows the belt of copper deposits in the copper. Arizona is one of the world leading copper places, and we're on the trend of that down here in Sonora, Mexico. So here in northern part of Mexico, the yellow area here is the area that we work collaboratively between BHP and Riverside Resources. What we're looking at are some of the locations of mines in that belt. The mines that we particularly like are the deposits around La Caridad. Caridad is one of the major mining centers operated by Grupo Mexico, one of the world big copper mining companies. And we've developed a project over here near La Caridad. Our Chewin project is one of the areas we're very excited about. We've developed at least 5 high priority new projects, and this is one of the areas that we're quite excited to work in. Another one is down here in the south. In the south here, we again see many copper centers and mineralization, and we're so excited that we're now moving ahead with a copper project in this area with BHP. So it's a second area we'll see coming newsflow. A third region that's quite productive is up here in the north. Up here, the La Caridad mine, the Cananea mine, this region is quite wealth generating, and we're very excited with our projects up here as well. So for us, the first year allowed us to generate projects, now 5 properties, and so this figure helps us to see some of the areas that will have news flow and work coming in the coming 6 months.
Sorry for the interruption, folks, but I do want to remind you, everything we're covering in today's interview is located in the description box below. Now, back to the interview. John Mark, we've covered a lot of ground today. Last question for you, sir, and that is, what did I forget to ask?
Well, I think one of the things about these programs is how long can they last? And the thing we like is that the program was a minimum 2-year and open to continue. So right now we're just completing 1 year. We see a good second year going, but we're quite positive about the progress we've made in that first year. And now with these 5 areas going ahead, these high priority targets, and the sense that we've been able to integrate the data from BHP and Riverside, we see a real great growth potential to it. So I think, how does this look going forward? We're quite bullish, quite excited about the potential. Copper is going up. Copper mining is very important. And for us, being the operator, working with the world's large copper company like BHP really sets us up for a great thing. So we think with copper and Riverside, we're in a great position coming for the next couple of years.
Dr. Staude, for someone listening that wants to get more information on Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
Please come and visit our website. That's RIVRES.com.
Dr. Staude, it's always a pleasure to have you on our show, sir. I know you have a very, very busy schedule, and we're wishing you and the entire Riverside team the absolute best, sir. Riverside Resources trades on the TSXV symbol RRI and on the OTCQB symbol RVSDF. Before you make your next bullion purchase, make sure you call me. I'm a licensed representative from Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments, where we have a number of options to expand your precious metals portfolio, from physical delivery, offshore depositories, and precious metal IRAs. Call me at 855-505-1900, or you may email maurice@milesfranklin.com. Finally, please subscribe to Proven and Probable, where we provide mining insights and bullion sales. Subscription is free.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.